Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix system language problem in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or 11, so you can fix Windows language problem. Just click here and start and search language. So search here language settings and open it. Now click on this drop down and find out your language. If there is not your language, so don't worry, we can add your language by clicking here. So just click on add a language. So in this list you have to find out your language. Search here. So I need English India, this one. So select, then click on next. Check this all box like text to speech and handwriting, then install. Now wait for a few minutes. So after installation, click on this drop down and select additional language or your language. Then close and restart. So this way guys, you can fix system language problem in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.